Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, a city where futuristic skylines meet historic charm. I'm your guide for this immersive walking tour through Malaysia's vibrant capital. We're starting our journey here at the feet of the world-famous Petronas Twin Towers, the shining symbol of modern Malaysia. The energy here is infectious. You can feel the pulse of the city as people gather from all over the world to admire this architectural marvel. Before we dive into the bustling city streets, let's take a moment to appreciate the lush green lung of the city, the KLCC Park. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. This 50-acre sanctuary offers a rare moment of peace amidst the concrete jungle, with its rhythmic fountains and shaded walkways. As we leave the park, the city's scale begins to reveal itself. We're heading towards the energetic heart of the Golden Triangle. Walking through these boulevards, you see the rapid evolution of KL. Sleek skyscrapers are constantly reaching for the sky. To get around comfortably, we're using the elevated sky bridge, a kilometer-long glass corridor that links the city's major hubs. From up here, you get a bird's-eye view of the pleasant chaos below. It's the perfect way to navigate without the tropical heat. We're now approaching Bukit Bintang, the city's premier shopping and entertainment district. The atmosphere here is a total sensory shift. This is the intersection of everything: giant screens, multi-story malls, and the constant hum of the monorail overhead. Pavilion KL stands as a beacon of luxury here. It's not just a mall, it's a social hub where the city's style is on full display. The sidewalks are alive with talent. You'll hear everything from local pop to traditional rhythms as you walk. High above, the monorail weaves through the towers, a vital artery keeping this metropolis moving. But the real soul of KL is often hidden in these side streets, where urban art tells the story of the city's heritage. These murals celebrate the everyday heroes, the noodle sellers and traditional barbers who built this town. Even in the midday sun, the city finds ways to stay cool. It's all about pacing yourself and enjoying the shade. KL's beauty lies in this contrast. A glass tower standing guard over a century-old shop house, the old and new in harmony. And then there's the scent. The aroma of grilled satay and spices begins to fill the air as we move closer to the food districts. Welcome to Jalan Alor. By day, it's a quiet road, but as evening approaches, it transforms into a world-renowned food haven. From spicy laksa to sweet durian, this street is a microcosm of Malaysia's incredible multicultural culinary scene. Our journey is just getting started. As the afternoon sun dips, we'll dive deeper into the heritage and hidden gems of this remarkable city. Leaving the vibrant buzz of Jalan Alor behind, we continue our walk towards the historic soul of Kuala Lumpur. The city's energy shift is palpable as we move from the neon-lit food mecca towards the heritage-rich streets of Chinatown. Even these back alleys are full of life. These murals aren't just art, they're a celebration of the city's identity, reclaiming urban spaces with color and creativity. As we head towards the Pudu district, the landscape begins to change. We're entering one of the oldest parts of the city, where every building has a story to tell. Look up and you'll see the Merdeka 118. Standing at over 600 meters, it's a constant reminder of how far the city has come, looming over the low-slung shophouses of the past. Jalan Sultan is the gateway to Chinatown. It's a place where old-school businesses thrive alongside modern arts hubs like the repurposed Rex KL Cinema. We've arrived at Petaling Street, the heart of KL's Chinatown. This grand arch marks the entrance to a world of sensory overload and traditional commerce. Under this iconic green roof, the market is a flurry of activity. It's been a hub of trade since the 1880s, and the hustle hasn't slowed down for a moment. You can find everything here, from traditional medicine to the latest street style. It's the perfect place to test your haggling skills. If you're thirsty, you have to try the air mata kuching. This legendary long-gone drink is a Chinatown staple, perfect for the tropical heat. Stepping out of the main market, we dive into the side streets where the city's multicultural spiritual life resides. The Guan Di Temple, dedicated to the Taoist god of war, is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Those dragon pillars have guarded this street since 1888. Just a few steps away is the Sri Mahamariamman Temple. It's the oldest Hindu temple in the city, its tower home to hundreds of intricately carved deities. Hidden away is Kwai Chai Hong, or Little Ghost Lane. This restored alleyway is like a time machine back to the Chinatown of the 1960s. These murals tell the stories of the community that lived here. It's an immersive tribute to the everyday heroes of the past. Crossing the Little Red Bridge, you feel the contrast of the old lane against the backdrop of the modern towers. It's a perfect pocket of heritage. Leaving the ghost lane behind, we're heading towards another landmark, the historic Central Market. This blue Art Deco building has been the city's marketplace for over a century. It's a protected heritage site and a hub for Malaysian culture. Step inside, and you're greeted by a curated bazaar. The market is divided into zones that celebrate the diverse ethnic groups of Malaysia. Walking through Lorong Melayu, you'll find exquisite batik and traditional Malay handicrafts. It's a sensory journey through the country's artistic roots. Every corner holds a treasure, from antiques to contemporary local art. It's the best place to find an authentic piece of Malaysia. We're heading outside to Kasturi Walk, a modern addition that feels like an outdoor extension of the market's cultural charm. The soaring roof here is designed to resemble a wau bulan, the traditional Malay moonkite. It's a beautiful blend of heritage and modern design. As we reach the edge of the market, we're close to where the city began. Our journey continues next towards the historic confluence of the rivers. We've reached the very spot where Kuala Lumpur began. This is the River of Life, a stunning rejuvenation of the city's historic waterways, where the Klang and Gombak rivers meet. The atmosphere here is magical. Advanced misting systems cool the air, giving the birthplace of the city a dreamlike quality that feels worlds away from the urban rush. Kuala Lumpur literally means muddy confluence. From these humble beginnings as a tin mining outpost, a world-class metropolis has grown. Rising from the riverbank is the Masjid Jamek Sultan Abdul Samad, one of the city's most beautiful and historic places of worship. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Completed in 1909, this masterpiece was designed in the Neo-Mughal style. Notice the intricate details that draw inspiration from the grand palaces of North India. Locals called this the blood and bandage design, a striking combination of red brick and white plaster that defines many of the city's oldest landmarks. The three grand domes and towering minarets have stood as silent witnesses to the city's incredible transformation over the last century. We're crossing over to the historic heart of Malaysian independence, the expansive Merdeka Square, or Dataran Merdeka. This sprawling lawn, once a British cricket ground, is where the Malayan flag was first raised in 1957, marking the end of colonial rule. Towering over the square is one of the world's tallest flagpoles. It's a powerful symbol of national pride, visible from miles around. Overlooking the field is the Royal Selangor Club. Its Tudor architecture is a direct link to the city's British colonial past. Dominating the eastern side of the square is the Sultan Abdul Samad building, the crown jewel of KL's historic architecture. The central clock tower is 41 meters high. Its bell first rang out in 1897 to mark Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee. The blend of red brick and white stone trimmings creates what many call a gingerbread palace effect, a truly unique architectural style. Recently restored, parts of this historic building are now open to the public, allowing us to step inside and explore its curated heritage galleries. Inside, you'll find incredible features like this black spiral staircase, a perfect example of the building's hidden interior beauty. The long corridors offer a stunning vantage point, framing Merdeka Square through elegant Islamic-style arches. At the edge of the square stands St. Mary's Cathedral, a beautiful Gothic structure that adds yet another layer to KL's architectural diversity. Nearby, the KL City Gallery tells the story of the city's past, present, and future through detailed models and interactive exhibits. The ornate Victoria Fountain, brought all the way from England, still bubbles away, a small but elegant remnant of a bygone era. As dusk falls, the square takes on a golden glow. It's a favorite spot for locals to gather and enjoy the cooler evening air. The history of Kuala Lumpur is etched into every stone here. Our journey continues as we head towards the next leg of this remarkable walk.